So my background is in manufacturing. I have about 40-year experience in manufacturing. One of the things that I did when I retired is I joined an organization called SCORE, which allowed me to help individuals who wanted to start a business to get the ball going and help them with writing their business plans and going through the various processes that they needed to go through to start their business. Once I had done that, I wanted to do more than just that and decided that succession planning and helping family-owned businesses might be something that I'd be interested in doing. And so I did some research and contacted ISPA, found it rewarding, the information rewarding, as it was exactly what I was looking for as it related to the training that was needed in order to position myself so that I could do succession planning for family-owned businesses. And so I was encouraged by the training materials, by the testing materials, the certification process, the subsequent assistance that I've had getting traction in running my business, from marketing materials and announcements, guidance from the staff at ISPA to help me navigate through the starting of my own business. And so it's been very beneficial from that standpoint.